oil is separating from the custard. So this is how you know your rundung is ready, good to go. Alright guys, so this is an old recipe that I grew up saw my mother cooking. But to tell you the honest truth guys, I never liked this. Yeah. Growing up, me never liked this, none at all. Me I tell you the truth. Saltfish rundung, me never like it. Me not even like the salt mackerel rundung. So you must know. But anyway guys, it is what it is. And I am soaking my saltfish from overnight. Yeah. So I'm not going to boil it, because if I boil it, I don't want too much of the salt to come out of it. Because remember, when you do the rundown, you have to put it in the coconut water and boil it. You don't want all the salt to come out. You're not going to get that nice taste, you know. So I just going to soak it, and then you will see what I do with it afterwards. Alrighty. So guys, after my saltfish has soaked, I'm just going to remove the scale from it, right? And I'm going to debone it as well. So this is the backbone. I'm just removing it. And I'm going to remove any other bone that is there. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it into some little bits. Some little pieces. Alright guys, so I'm just deboning my saltfish to put in the pot. So these are some fine bone, you know, I'm removing them as well. Got that. That flesh is so soft and nice. So this is it guys. So I'm removing all the fine bones. So these are some really fine bone guys. I'm removing them as well. Look good. Fine bone. I'm taking out everyone. There we go. So this is alrighty. Free of bone, no bone. So this is our saltfish guys. I have finished deboning it. So I'm just going to toss it in the pot as soon as the season flavor the pot. Alrighty, I'm going to just toss it right into the pot. Alrighty, so we are making our saltfish rundung. Yes, my peeps, this is a bone dry coconut, native coconut, and this is a country manna oxide. Wow, that's skill guys. That is skill. It's a knife you use and do that, you know. Alright guys, so you know we now waste this water here. I have to drink this, so you know this sweet. Look at this. Alright guys, so this is our bone dry native coconut water. And you know we can't throw this, we have to go wash off it out with this. As a Jamaican, yeah man. So you don't know say we Rundung we have a feature right about now. So this is an old recipe guys. So I want you to tune in, get your wine or your coconut water and just sit and sip and chill with me. About now guys, we're just oxing out our coconut, you know, we are drop him out, shell him out to cut it up and blend it. Wash him, cut him up and blend him. You know? To get our rundown going. Alright about now guys, we're just washing our coconut, you know, getting it clean and things. We're just going to cut up this now in some small piece. Don't watch a big cutting up, you know, because I can just go through and just fine tune. You know, if we fine tune, alright guys, we're on the last laps of our coconut. So you don't know, you have to cut it up in small size, you know, in order for the blender to blend it out properly. So we're just going to take up back these, put them together like that, and we're going to just cut. So we are going to blend this now guys. Adding our water to the blender. Then I'm gonna go right ahead and add my coconut as well. Go ahead, cover, and just blend. Alright, just going to pour this out now. So come on over to the pot. From the blender to the pot. And we're just going to do the same with the remaining coconut. So you know we're going to squeeze this out. Pure coconut, natural coconut guys. So you know we're just going to squeeze out the trash. And you know you can't eat this with sugar. Growing up I used to see my brother whenever time, but a grater we used to grate a coconut still. We also blend it. Alright guys, so growing up, you know, I used to see my brother sprinkle sugar on this. Also my mother, and you know we would eat it. So we wouldn't waste anything. The trash of the coconut, we wouldn't throw it away. We would also eat it. And my mother used to use it to make cake, pudding, you name it. You know, may her soul rest in peace still. That lady was a great cook, trust me. I learned everything from her. All that I am doing now in the kitchen, I learned from her. I may do things a little different now, because you know everybody big on them own, and you know, but yeah man, great cook. My mother was a great cook, trust me. So we are just going to season this guys. I'm just going to season it with my earth season. Leave it to boil. Alrighty. Alright guys, so now we are getting our season prepared. So we're doing some garlic cloves here, guys. I'm using 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. The yellow one, I'm going to use it to just flavor the pot. See it here? 2 big boy. The yellow one, I'm going to use it to flavor the pot. And the green one, you know, I'm going to just drop that whole in the pot. So I'm going to just chinks off some of this here. Just to add a little flavor to the pot, you know. So you know, this is our coconut. I go on with all the things over here, so. Alright, so just about dashing the season them now. To continue to boil with it and release out that lovely flavor. Alrighty, so I'm just going to cover and allow this to continue boil. Alright, now guys, we're just going to put in our saltfish. Toss in our saltfish in the pot. Alrighty, so we're just going to cover and allow that to continue to boil until the coconut starts separated from the custard. Alrighty. So guys, we want to continue to boil until we see custard. Until we see the custard separating from the oil. Alrighty. So I'm gonna add a few pimento berries. Then I'm gonna cover back this and allow it to continue to boil. Alrighty. Alright guys, look clearly. You can clearly see the oil separating from the custard. Oh yeah, I'll go ahead and add my big boy Scotch bonnet pepper. I know you all didn't see when I drop it in the pot, right? And I add some spring onion as well. This is it, guys. The oil is separating from the custard. So this is how you know your rundung is ready. Good to go. Guys, so that is our saltfish rundung, and the oil has been separated from the custard. So this is finished now, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just season my pot. So let me taste if I need any salt. I don't need to tip any salt in it. And you know this saltfish is already flavored the pot, right? Alright, so all I'm going to do now is just a little black pepper. Alright. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm going to use a little Grace all-purpose seasoning. Not much, just about this. The saltfish already has its flavor, not to mention the coconut milk. Oh Lord, you don't need nothing else. You don't need to season your pot with nothing else, guys. This is it. Voila, lovely as ever. Yeah, scoop up a spoon, let you guys see that. Let me see if I can get some more on the spoon so you can see what's going on here. This is it. Alrighty. I'm just gonna give that 10 minutes. 10 minutes to simmer with that season that I just put in the pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and lock my stove off. Look over here, guys. I have a big pot of food. So that food is going with it. I have a lot of hungry mouths to feed. Dumpling a big dough. So dumpling and banana and yam, guys. I don't want to dig up too much in the pot because I don't want the banana to mash up. Alrighty. So yeah, man, I eat that in the morning.